Man, it's been a long while, but finally I'm making another part to me rebuilding this race car, this Infiniti Q50 twin turbo V6. And if you watch my previous videos, you know how many modifications I already put on here. In the previous video, I said that I wouldn't be able to put this car cover on, the engine cover on, but I was able to. I rerouted the lines to the oil catch can, and I put insulation so it doesn't rub on anything, and insulation down there against the plastic, so it definitely doesn't rub on anything at all. And this move to the side, I can put my engine cover. I'll show you exactly how I'm able to do this. So as you can see, that's how I routed it right here now. So we actually have an engine cover right now on it. That's pretty cool. I like that. Also, putting the radiator in the car, coming into an issue. Since the wreck of the car, the bushings broke out over here. These rubber bushings on the old radiator, which is sitting right there. And might have to go buy new bushings for this radiator. On the bottom, already connected the lower coolant line, the big one, and the transmission fluid lines that get cooled through this radiator as well. I guess there's a separate compartment in the radiator connected on the bottom. Now, this is one of the other old radiators. Got to take off this clip because the new one doesn't have any, and we're also trying to figure out how to put the condenser on as well. Yeah, I might just have to call it for the day until I find the bushings and figure everything out. And also, these lines kind of confuse me because this small radiator goes in the front of that one, and we're not sure where these lines go and how to get around to there, but that's where they're supposed to be as far as I know. And also, where does this connect as well? That just absolutely makes no sense to me. Gonna have to try to find a diagram or something. Brand new radiator fans over here, but can't do anything until that radiator is in place. So just finished up, just kind of installed. As you can see, the condenser, AC condenser in the front. It connects to the radiator right here with these clips on here. Next part is on the old condenser. When I have time, I got to remove that old sensor and those lines right here and put them on the side over here. But to continue, I need to find a clamp for this, and I need to buy those bushings over here. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064 Turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.